So I'm here with a quick wig remix. I'm going to be cutting this wig. This is the Outre hand-tied full lace wig. I hope I'm in focus. But yeah, I've had this wig for a while. I thought I had actually done a review on my channel, but when I went to go look for it just to see what the wig looked like initially, I couldn't find it. So I'm gonna have to do a little bit more of a deep dive and see if I still have it or if I ever did it. I could have swore I did, but anyway. I've been down so it look like. 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 It look like. Just the basic construction of the wig. There's a lace front here in the front, and there were ear tabs on both sides. I don't know if you guys can see that one, but I cut the one off on this side. I don't remember why I cut it. I know that you can kind of see the ear tabs through the lace a little bit, which is a really weird design, but regardless of that, I love this wig. It is so comfortable. It's extremely big head friendly because everything, like all the netting, like this is all super stretchy. There's so much stretch in this part of the wig, and that's because all of the hair is hand tied onto the net. So there's no tracks. This is not bulky. It's 100 something degrees here in Phoenix, so I definitely wanted something that was lightweight. And because I've been wanting a bob and I haven't been able to decide on what wig I want to buy next to achieve that look, I figured I would hold myself over by cutting this unit. I haven't been wearing it as much. I've had this unit for a year, at least a year, probably over a year, and it's not too bad. It gets pretty tangled, especially when I'm working with it rubbing up against my jump seat, and just kind of, I'm always up and down, pulling my hair back. It gets pretty tangled and matted, so I haven't been wearing it, even though I love this unit. Well, I haven't been wearing wigs in general because it's too hot for all that. This unit. So it comes down to like the bottom of my rib cage, pretty much. I love it. It comes pretty much all the way forward, so I can lay this. I mean, my hairline is really interesting in the fact that on the sides it comes really far forward. I think it's called a low hairline. So no matter what I do, I'm always gonna have a little bit of my hair showing, unless I just decided to cut that off, which I'm not gonna do. But this unit comes really far forward on my head, so it's pretty much gonna cover most of my hair. And this part, I will just style like the baby hairs and make it a part of the unit. Okay, so that's pretty much it. I'm not a professional. I just clipped and clipped and clipped until it looked the way I want it to look. And I feel like there's still some parts that maybe aren't as even or as blunt as I would want, but overall, I'm very happy with it. And I feel like I got a good even, for the most part, cut all the way around. When I put it on the wig head, I just did little bits at a time and then tried the wig back on to make sure I wasn't cutting too much. And you definitely want to make sure you place your wig on the wig head in the same kind of way it would be on your head. So for example, my wig head is smaller than my actual head. So I pulled the wig forward just a little bit onto the forehead, so that way it would actually hang the way it would on my head. And then for the very underneath part, since it was still sort of longer than the rest, I pulled the wig even further forward on the wig head to the point it was probably almost covering the wig head's face, and then cut. And since that part is what's underneath, and then I already had the layer on top the length I wanted, I wasn't as worried about cutting too much off underneath. Anyway, I'm going to wash this, but I just pressed it a little bit so you guys could kind of see with like a little baby bump what it looks like. But I do want to wash this unit because I don't think I've washed it in a while, and last time I wore it I just threw it in the box and was like whatever. So I'm gonna just wash it according to the care instructions on the box, and then I'll reflat iron it and stuff, and I'll take pictures. But yeah, anyway, instead of buying a new wig bob, a new bob wig, just cut. Oh, I thought I could wig behind my ear, but no, honey. Just cut one you already have. So yeah, I will probably lay this unit, actually lay it and all of that. But that's this. It was great to be back on the channel with some hair content. There is a couple units that I want to buy. One of them is the Outre What Lace, which seems to be like a dope little unit. So I do want to go purchase that one. So if I do, I'll come back on with the review. But until now, I'm very happy this is what I wanted. And if you're here, check out some of my other content. I'm trying to branch out into some other things. So yeah, take a gander. I will talk to you ladies soon. Bye.